Hi there, it's Derek here. We're continuing our review of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and we're attempting to apply the learning that we've had from Think and Grow Rich to business as we see it. I'm a business coach myself, and we work with business owners every day of the week. And we actually, I guess you could say that Think and Grow Rich is our Bible in a lot of cases. The chapter today is about the power of auto-suggestion. And what I understood by this is that in order to be successful, in order to achieve what it is you want to achieve, you have to constantly tell yourself what it is you want. You have to affirm to yourself every day what your desires are. Because your goal may be a 3 year goal, or it may be a 5 year goal, or it may be a 20 year goal. Within the time scale to achieving that, you're going to come across lots of obstacles, lots of barriers, lots of naysayers, lots of other things that you may have no control over. Yet, with your faith and your desire intact, it's very possible to overcome all of these things and use them as stepping stones to achieving your goal. One of the ways of doing it is by constantly telling yourself what it is you want and affirming to yourself. We also liken the brain very much to like a field, in that if you plant seeds in your field, those seeds will grow. Now it's your choice whether you plant seeds of weeds or whether you plant the seeds of fertile crops. If you plant the seeds of weeds and you fertilize those seeds, which may be negative thoughts, which may be looking at why things can't happen, which may be looking at the downside of everything, which may be being pessimistic, which looking at the failures in life. If you continually talk to yourself in that language and use that sort of approach to life, the weeds will grow in your mind. If you, on the other hand, plant seeds of greatness, and you cultivate those by constantly affirming what it means to you and what it is you want and what it is you will do with it when you get it, that will actually lead it to happen for you much quicker. The same is true in business. The clearer you are about what you want from your business, the clearer it will manifest itself to you, and the clearer and the more articulate a leader you will be to your team as well. So that's where I take the power of auto-suggestion. It's something you have to develop as a habit. It takes 21 days to develop a habit. Can you do it for 21 days? It will become a habit, and you will actually marvel at the power of auto-suggestion. Just write down 20 things that you need to say to yourself each and every day, like a prayer, and put it into place. So that's the power of auto-suggestion by Napoleon Hill in his book Think and Grow Rich, which was one of the founding books of self-development. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, and thank you very much.